A very good morning to everybody and a warm welcome to all the students for this orientation session of Spring 2021. My name is Hafizur Rahman and Ms. Poonam already introduced me that I'm the Senior Program Manager at the FMS department, and I'm also a lecturer as well. I'm also teaching courses. My area of specialization is Human Resource Management. I'm still pursuing my MPhil, another MPhil, and from Karachi University. I'm still a student like you. So today my presentation is all about giving you two important announcements because Ms. Poonam has given me very limited time. So I have to speak very short and sweet because we have a lot of presentation coming up. So my presentation is not too much long, and I'll be talking about only 2 points. First of all, you need to know the difference between college and the university, because you have just left your college and you have just joined the university level. So before going into my real presentation, I would like to show you the difference between the college and the university. So you can see the college over there, you must have experienced the annual system, and here in university you will be having the semester system. So that's a major difference over here in the university. You can see the annual system, the semester system. This particular system is very fast. It's a fast track, right? And the another point is over there at the college or at the school level, you have gone through a theory-oriented study, right? Over there you must be having spoon feeding. But over here in the university level, it is research-oriented. So nobody going to tell you that what to do. You have to make your own decisions. Definitely, your teachers will be there to guide you. They are not going to pick you. They are not going to spoon feed you. Remember this. That's a major difference between college. The important decision, whether I should attend the party or whether you have to attend the classes, right? So you have to make sure this thing. Another very major difference between college and university is class size. Over there you must have a very small class size, 20-25 students, but over here you will be having larger class size, 60 plus students. So you have to be very prominent. You have to be very outspoken in the class with all due respect, right? You have to make your space in the class, because you will be having a lot of students. They'll be giving you tough competitions in the education. Parents and the teachers are responsible of students' academic success, as I have told you that. Before that, in school or college, your parents being called on your academic performance. If you are not performing well, then the principal said, bring your parents. But here, you have to take the charge of it. We are not going to tell you, call your parents on your bad performance. We will call you. You have to face this thing. You have to defend your performance, right? Whereas in the university, student is responsible for academic performance, right? Resources are very limited over there in the schools, but here you have enough or ample of resources available. As Ms. Poonam already told you that at Indus University we have immense sources as far as the library is concerned. We have got digital library over here. We have a very huge library facility over here. So there is nothing short in the resources as far as the resources are concerned. You have got computer labs. Latest computer labs are available. So if you want any, if you want to Google, or if you want to search anything, if you want to make your reports, so computer systems are there. So there is no excuse that sir, we don't have the resources. So you will find resources over here, right? So you can have the utilization of that thing. Student will be getting coaching over there in the school and college. But here, student will be getting counseling from their respected faculty members, right? So you have to have a counseling session proper with your teachers. So you have to be in touch with your teachers. Teachers are there to help you out, and you can get the guideline at the initial level. What you need to know that how to pursue your journey from now till the last 4 years. So that's the major difference. We all should take the responsibility of our study. Remember this thing, right? So I've clearly mentioned you that there are two different differences between college and the university. Now,